Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. I've created this custom object in Salesforce, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT saying I have a custom object. I need to paste the fields, but I'm just saying with these fields, I'm planning to paste it next time, but I'm saying please help with some sample data. ChatGPT assumes that it knows the structure of the custom object. It doesn't know it, but let it finish. I've actually pasted my uh, custom object details there with the label, API name, and the type of field. So I pasted it now and saying I just sent the information again. Now it's generating the sample data for the custom object. So it's giving it in a format which may not be easily, I can take it and put it in a CSV file or something. So next question I'm going to ask ChatGPT is, please create a CSV format of this sample data. So let's see if it can help me with that. So it's converting that sample data I just created into a CSV format. So it has created that one single record and it created a sample CSV file. So now I'm going to ask my next question, which will be, so basically it's created a CSV. So I'm going to, if I'm going to ask it, since I don't know how to use this, I say, how do I load this data? So it gives me the various options Salesforce has. One is the data loader, and the second one is the Apex data loader. I could use Salesforce Connect and also use import. So it's giving me all the options. So now what I do next is once I decide what the option I'm going to use, I'm going to copy that CSV file I just generated, and I can paste it in a either a notepad or an Excel spreadsheet, and save it as a CSV file. So I'm going to create a new Excel file with this sample data which ChatGPT created for me. So in fact, I'm going to add more data to it. I'm going to just add one more record for our demo. So I just copy the description from the previous example, and I'm going to update it with a lot more details relevant for this custom object. I'm saying subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscriber, and then say false, assuming Jane Doe has not subscribed. So I just so for my record I say true, and I'm going to move the subscription date and leave it blank for Jane Doe since she has not subscribed, and put it under my name, saying I've subscribed. So now the next step is I need to load this data. So you can see it's already giving me a template. I can add as many records I want very easily and quickly. So this is the easy way of getting ChatGPT to help me create a template of loading sample data into my custom object. So now I go to home and type in loader. So I could use loader to load, but the problem is I need to download this data loader. So instead of that, let's see the other option. It says dataloader.io. This also requires a lot more steps. So instead of that, let me see if there's the inbuilt data loader, which is the before I do that, let's check the custom object fields have the right permissions to write into those. So I'll take one example, the description field, and check the security on that. You can see it's available for all the profiles. So basically any profile can load data into it. So now I'm going to search for import and click on data import wizard, and then go down the page and click on launch wizard, and then I'm going to say custom object, and there's only one custom object in this Salesforce sandbox. So I select that and then add new records, and then I'm going to drag the subscriber.csv I just created into that section there, and now it's there, and I hit next. So if you see all the fields are unmapped, let me see if I can just say next and see what happens. If you see all the data is there too for Jane Doe and myself. I'm going to say next, and let's see what it says. It says 0 mapped fields and 4 unmapped. So let me go back to the previous screen, click on previous. So there I'm going to start mapping the fields. So I click on map on the edit column for each of those fields and change the fields that that particular column in the CSV represents. So I'm going to say subscriber name and stuff like that. So I'm going to map all the 4 fields. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to hit next. So let's do this is a step you need to do whenever you try to load a CSV file. It's Salesforce doesn't automatically map the fields for you, so you have to map it yourself and then hit next. So once it's done, it says 4 map fields and nothing is unmapped. So start import. It says congratulations. So it's running a background job. Since there are only 2 records, it should be quick. So I go to my the custom object and say all, and you can see 2 records have been loaded with it's auto generated the subscriber ID 1 and 2. So let's take the second record, which is mine. When I click that, you can see it has all my details I was expecting in that record. So hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.